Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good day. Now we're going to do morphological image processing using Image-J Fiji software or Fiji Image-J software. So first of all, click the icon which is Image-J here. So double click it. Okay, this is the software appearance already there. Go to File, Open Samples and Blobs. Okay, click on the blobs 25k. Okay, this is blobs.gif, so it's in GIF format. It's a grayscale image. We want to convert this to a binary image, so go to process and then go down here to binary, and then just click binary, make binary, and just watch what happened to the image. By clicking back make binary, the image automatically change into a binary image. Now again, we need to save this, and go to file, save as, and then go to GIF. Okay, create new folder. Maybe we can name the folder as my processing. Enter, and then double click my processing and give a new name, for instance original. Enter. Now we have original image in the new folder there. So it's there, my processing image. Okay, now we want to do erosion to this image. We want to erode the image, to erode this original.gif. So to go to process, go to down here morphology, and then click gray morphology. Okay, then you have the parameters for structuring element. Okay, pop-ups, and then you select the operator as erode for erosion, and then for our example here we use the size or the shape of the structuring element as circle, and we want to have the circle with the size, or maybe can change to 2. So the circle we have a size of 2 radius pixels. Okay, and just this is just for example. Later you can at any time, if you want, you can change the shape of the structuring element to other shape as well. Okay, so but for this example we just choose circle. Okay, and the size is 2 pixels radius. Okay, just click OK and see what happened to the original.gif. Okay, so you notice that the white pixels become smaller compared to before. Okay, now again go to file and save as. Okay, and select GIF, give a new name, maybe erode, circle as the structure element, and then 1 as the size of the circle. Enter, and then you can check from file open. Okay, we have the original, and so the erode circle 1 is there. Okay, now close this. Okay, now close the erode circle 1.gif. If you want to repeat the process, the erosion process, but this time using a larger circle structuring element. So go to file, open the original image again. Okay, there is a original.gif. Go to process, go to morphology, click gray morphology. Okay, now we have the structuring element parameters. Okay, now maintain the erode and the circle, but change the size of the radius of the circle to 5. Okay, larger. Okay, larger, which is 5, larger than the 2.0 to see and we expect that the effect is more obvious, so click 5, and then click OK. Okay, sometimes watch what happened to the original.gif. Okay, you can see that there's a significant erosion is happening there. So now go to again to File, Save As, and then go to GIF. Okay, then we name this as erode. Okay, circle, because the size is 5 pixels, so 5. Enter. Now we have it saved. Okay, the original erode circle 1 and erode circle 5 is there. Okay, alright, so now next, what we want to do now is to put all the original and the output image into Microsoft Word document. Okay, so open Microsoft Word, blank document. Okay, maybe you can just put title morphological morphological image processing, and then we begin with erosion. Enter. Again, and you can insert table. Okay, a table, maybe 2 rows by 3 columns. Okay, so we want to put the original pixel or the original image here. Okay, the middle we want to put the erode circle 1 and 2, and the third column erode circle 5. Okay, now we just insert it. So so minimize this. Okay, and you can now erode circle 5 is there now. So we need to copy this image by going to edit, copy to system, and then go to our Word file again and paste on inside the column of erode circle 5. So paste it here. So there's the erode circle 5. Minimize again. I'm going to close erode circle 5. Open the other image now. Open. Okay, maybe we'll start with the original image. Okay, again, edit, copy to system, go to the Word and paste it on the original. Okay, so we have the original inserted to the column. Okay, again, minimize the Word and close the original. Now we're going to open the erode circle 1. Okay, again, edit, copy to system, go to Word, and paste it under the erode circle 2. Okay, now we have original erode circle 2 and erode circle 5, so we can save this Word file. Okay, save as to a suitable folder. Maybe you can just put it my morphology lab report. Enter. Okay, now we need to now do the next morphological image processing, which is the delete or deletion. Okay, so straight away we do the title first in the Word document, delete. First one is root, so this one is deletion. Enter. Again, insert. Okay, the table 2 by 3, so 2 rows by 3 column. Okay, and now we have the deletion result to be filled in. Okay, you can just maybe you can name the column as original, first one, the second one, delete. Okay, we want to use circle again, and size is 2 pixels, and the last one, delete, circle, size is 5. Okay, so minimize this. Okay, go to Image-J. Okay, close the image, open the original image, open original image. Okay, go to process, morphology, brain morphology. Okay, now you have the structuring element parameters. Change the operator to delete, maintain the type of structure element to circle, change the size to 2. Okay, then okay, watch what happens to the original GIF. Okay, you can see that the white pixels become bigger, or the white objects become bigger. So save this image, so file save as GIF. Okay, name it as delete, circle. Okay, 2, this the size is 2. Enter. Right, so we want to repeat this with the circle structure element of size 5. So close this, open the origin again. Okay, again go to process, morphology, brain morphology, change the only the radius of the structure element pixels to 5. Okay, now watch what happened to the original GIF. Okay, click OK. Okay, become much bigger. Okay, the white object becomes much bigger than before. Okay, save as GIF. Okay, name is as delete circle. Instead of 2, we change to 5. Enter. Okay, now go to Word document we created just now. Okay, for the original, just copy the original image above. So right click, copy, and paste it here. For delete circle 2, so we need to go to the Image-J. Okay, close. Okay, you can use straight with this one to fill in the delete circle 5, so no problem. Okay, so just go to edit, copy to system, go to Word, and then paste it here. Okay, now go back to Image-J, close the delete circle 5, open the delete circle 2. Okay, edit, copy to system, Word, paste it. Okay, delete circle 2. Okay, there you go. So you can see the effect from original, delete circle 2, and delete circle 5. And before that, we have done original, delete circle 2, delete circle 5. Okay, now we want to do the next morphological processing, which is a compound, compound operation opening. So straight away we just put the title as opening. Enter, and straight away create or insert the table, empty table, 2 by 3. Straight away put it first one as original, similar to the one we have done above. And the middle one, you can put text open circle 2. And the last column, open circle 5. Now go back to Image-J, close the image, open the original image. Now go to process, morphology, gray morphology. Now for the operator, change to open. The structure element type is still circle, and the size we change it to start with 2. When I click then at the same time watch what happened to the original.gif. Something is happening when we click OK, but it's not very obvious, because opening tends to do first erosion with the circle 2.0 radius structure element, and then it will do the deletion with the same structure element. And this is the result. If you want, you can straight away go to edit, copy to system, go to my morphology, and just paste under the open circle tool. So you can arrange this accordingly to make it easy for you to see the result. For the original, just copy the original image above, which you can take from the deletion. Copy here and paste to the original of the opening. Now we need to do the open circle 5. So we'll close the ones first. Now we can save this. Before we cancel, let's save this first. File, save as GIF. Name this as open circle. This one is open circle 2. Now we close this one, open the original. Go to process, go to morphology, go to gray morphology. Open circle, change the size of the radius to 5. Now as I click OK, see what happened to the original.gif. So some small dots disappear. We can see this clearly later in the Word document when we put the results side by side. Now we just file, save as GIF. Name this as open circle 5. Enter. Alright, so because open circle 5 is now here, so just edit, copy to system, go to my morphological lab report. And then we can paste open circle 5 here at the column of open circle 5. You can see the result, what's happening from original to open circle 2 to open circle 5. As Okay, from original to open circle to there's small dots, okay, like the one you can see, okay, here. Okay, so the dots, okay, is there but not here. Okay, so it's gone in open circle 2. And for open circle 5, what's changes you can see is that there is, okay, bigger dot here, okay, which in original is there, in open circle 2 is there, but open circle 5 is not there. So the, okay, larger uh, objects also disappeared when we run open circle 5. Okay, all right. Okay, so next we need to do the other compound operation, which is closing. Okay, straight away, okay, insert the table 2 by 3, okay, same as above. Put the title similarly as original, and the next one is close. Okay, circle 2, and the last column is close circle 5. Okay, go to Image-J. Okay, close the current image, open the original image. Okay, go to process, morphology, gray morphology. Okay, now change the operator to close. Okay, remain the circle and change the size to 2. Okay, so as we click OK, what happened to the original GIF? You can watch now. Okay, okay, not much changing occurred, but we can save this image first. Save as GIF and name this as close circle 2. Enter to save it, and we can straight away edit, copy to system, go to the Word file, save it, paste it under close circle 2, and we take the original okay, the original image from, okay, the previous process, and then paste it under the original here. Okay, now the last one we need to do the close circle 5. Okay, go to Image-J, close current image, open the original image. Go to process, go to morphology, create morphology. Okay, now change only the size from 2 to 5. As we click OK, see what happened to the original GIF. Okay, some objects are now connected from one to another. So save file, save as GIF, and close circle 2. Now is now close circle 5. Enter. Okay, now we straight away copy, edit, copy to system. Okay, Word document, paste under the close circle 5. So you can compare side by side. So from original to close circle 2, not much changes can be seen, but we can see that there's some changes, but not very obvious. Not obvious. Okay, there's Okay, this one is initially separated, but in closed circle 2, now you can see it's connected. Okay, 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 but when you go to closed circle 5, the connection can become thicker compared to closed circle 2. So the connection between the two objects becomes thicker, and those in closed circle 2 without connection, now in closed circle 5 connection occurs. Okay, so this is the effect of closing. Okay, that's all. Thank you for now. Okay, see you again in the other lab demonstration. Thank you.